Class 10 children, today we will begin chapter 14 circle. It's a chapter from geometry portion, very interesting and very important chapter. Let us begin. So before I begin, let me start some formulas first. So number one formula we have here, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. Now meaning of this is that this is circle and the boundary portion is called circumference. So you can see from this point one line goes and touches the boundary, that is circumference, and comes and ends here on the other part. So now one angle has been formed at the circumference, that means at the boundary, and from the same point one angle goes at the center and comes to the same point. So now the relation between these two angles will be the angle, you can see the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. That means the angle at the center will be twice of the circumference. That means if it is P, it will be 2P. That means if it is 40 degree, it will be 80 degree. If it is 50 degree, it will be 100 degree. That means it will be double of the circumference. And now all these diagrams are same, only the angles have been formed in different way. Like you can see one angle goes here on the top and one angle here. You can see here the angle should be at the base, at the bottom part. So here, so this is P, this is 2P. Now here you can see one line goes at the circumference and ends it here. Same thing, starts from same place, goes to the center and ends in the same place. So this is P, this is 2P. That means the very important thing is that the starting point and ending point of both the angles should be same. So here you can see starting is this, ending is this, but one goes on the circumference, one goes at the center. Same thing here also. Now number two formula, the angle subtended by an arc in the same segment of a circle are equal. Same segment means same thing. Starting point and ending point should be same, then all the angles will be equal. That means you can see here, this is starting point, one line goes here and comes here, the second line goes here and comes here, third line goes here and comes here, but starting point and ending point is same. Here is starting, this is ending, but it goes to the different places, but starting and ending point is same, that is same segment, and in that case all the angles at different position will be same. So here all are P, P, P. That means if it is 40, all will be 40, 40, 40. Now number 3, the angle in a semicircle is right angle, or in a second language we can say, if a triangle is inscribed in a semicircle, the angle opposite the diameter is right angle, that is angle APB. Here will be 90 degrees. So this will be 90 degrees. That means angle at a semicircle, that means don't take the half circle, take the half circle. Then if any angle is formed at the top, it is 90 degree. That means thing is that it should be above the diameter. So this is diameter and one triangle is there, you can see. So this angle is 90 degree. That is what they mean to say. Now you don't say here also why it is not 90 degree. Why? Because here there is nothing told about the diameter. So these angles are random, but starting and ending point, but here it is just above the diameter. So you have to take semicircle, that means half circle you have to take. Now number 4, the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degree. So when two angles add and become 180 degree, it is also called supplementary. So here suppose this is cyclic quadrilateral, 4 sides, that is called quadrilateral. But why cyclic? Because it is inside the circle. So when quadrilateral is inside the circle, it is called cyclic quadrilateral. So in this cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. That means angle B plus angle D, if you add both of them, it should be equal to 180. Angle A plus angle C will be 180 degree. That is what it is said. So opposite angles are 180 degree. That means they add and become 180 degree, opposite angles. So that is same thing here. Now the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle, that is angle B is equal to angle P. That means this is cyclic quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral, four sides inside the circle, but one, suppose exterior angle, one line is extended outside, so here one angle is outside here, so this angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. So you go inside and go to the opposite side, so this angle B will be equal to angle P. That means if it is 40, this also will be 40. And here we can do the same thing. If you extend here like this, then this exterior angle will be equal to this A. And if you extend like this, then the outside wall will be equal to this one. So here, that way we can make 4 different cases. So now there are some more formula based on tangent, which I will discuss tomorrow, because it will be very long otherwise discussion. So now based on this knowledge, children, I will just do some question for you. Just now I have taught you 5 formulas. Based on that, I will teach you some very important question. Now in this figure, AB is diameter. Think AB is diameter. This is AB is diameter, and now O is the center also, and angle BCD. Here you can see BCD, that means angle C. At the center, at the middle it is C, it is 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. Now find angle BAD. BAD means you have to find angle A. Now angle DBA. Angle DBA. So you have to find this angle B also, but the down portion, DBA. Now very easy, children. First one is very easy. BAD. BAD means, that means angle A. Just now I taught you cyclic quadrilateral, like you can see ABCD. So the opposite sides are 180 degree. So if it is 120 degree, angle A will be 60 degree, because they combinedly become 180 degree. Just now I told you, like here you can see this portion. So same thing here. Now I will start here. Since angle AOB is diameter, so this is diameter, and angle ADB will be 90 degree, and that one, you know, this you can see here, this particular formula. If it is diameter, then the angle at the top will be 90 degree here. Same thing here. So if it is diameter, then here the angle D will be 90 degree. So that is what, this is the thing, it is said angle in semicircle is 90 degree, because AOB is diameter, because it is a semicircle on the top. Now also ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD, because inside the circle the quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Now we can say, first answer we are going to find now, angle BCD plus angle BAD, that means angle C and angle A, equal to 180 degree, because cyclic quadrilateral. Now BCD is 120, put the value 120, plus BAD we have to find, same thing comes here. Now BAD equal to 120 goes that side, after subtraction we get 60 degree. So we can say angle BAD 60 degree. First answer has come. Now number 2 we have to find angle DBA, that means angle B. Now very easy. Now just now we came to know angle A is 60, and at the top this angle D is 90, because angle at semicircle. So when in a triangle, when two angles are known, third side is very easy, because 180 minus sum of the known two sides. This one we have learned in class 9 also. So same thing, angle BAD plus angle BDA plus angle DBA equal to 180 degree. That means these three angles of a triangle, they make 180 degree, sum of angle of a triangle. Now this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is question mark. So now you add this both, it is 150. So 150 goes and subtracts, it is 30 degree. 180 minus 50 is 30 degree. So second answer also has come. So let me discuss one more question, children. Very important question, very easy. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of a circle. So same thing, AB is almost same type of question, and this is 130 degree. If I say both the questions are very similar. Now find angle DAB. So same thing, you have to find A. So this is 130. So you can say here it is 50 degree, because cyclic quadrilateral. And DBA, same thing. So this particular question is very similar to the last question. So here same way the answers have been taken out very easily. So you can see this question, I will say very similar to the last question. Let me discuss one more question here. In the figure DBC, that means this particular B is 58 degree and BD is diameter. You can see this BD is diameter. So when this is diameter, think this whole angle C will be 90 degree because diameter, it has connection here. So that we have to import, very important. Now only one angle is given, that is DBC. This is 58 degree, and just now when BD is diameter, angle C is 90 degree. This is the thing which we know. Now calculate angle BDC. So this particular portion, very easy children, because we know this is 90 degree and this is given 58 degree. So you add both of them and subtract with 180, angle D will come. Next, angle BEC. Very interesting, because in cyclic quadrilateral, now this is cyclic quadrilateral, BECD or BDCE, cyclic quadrilateral, and these two angles are opposite to each other. So when angle D is known, you can say this plus this is 180. So 180 minus D is angle E. Now angle BAC. Now in angle BAC, you can also say these four sides are cyclic quadrilateral. So when E is known, A also will be known. The same thing here we are going to just discuss. The same diagram, little bit larger, it has been drawn here. So very promptly I will discuss here. Angle BCD will be 90 degree. Just now I said angle in a semi circle, it's right angle. So this angle C will be 90 degree. This whole BCD 90 degree, and this is diameter. Now therefore angle DBC is 58 degree. So angle DBC is 58 degree, it is known. So third, angle BDC, this will be, we can say 180 minus the two other sides equal to 32 degree. First answer came. Number 2, you can see angle BEC is 180 minus angle BDC. So this particular angle BEC will be 180 minus the value of angle D. So value of angle D is 32. So I can say 180 minus 32 degree is 48 degree. This will be our answer. So 148 degree. And number 3, angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. So angle BAC is equal to angle BDC, because I can also say here BAC and BDC are the angles in the same segment. Just now for this is theorem number 2, at the same segment. So starting point of both the angle and ending point, starting and ending point is same. So if angle D is whatever, angle A also will be same. So as angle D is 32 degrees, so angle A also will be 32 degree. So this is how it is done, children. Very interesting. In so many, the angle BAC, this particular part we can do in 2 ways, and in this book different way, you can also do in different way. So same question can be done in different ways. So learn the formula and try to understand these questions. Thank you, children.